I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?
Hello guys, you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. For those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your subscription. Your girl appreciate it. For all my new subby, because I've realized that I've had a few subscribers. Guys, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for your subscription. Guys, I am almost at 500 subscribers. Guys, help me out. Share up my content, guys. Let's share it on your social media page. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family, guys. Get me to 500 subscribers. Your girl would really, really, really appreciate it, guys. Yeah. So, guys, remember to, like up the video, comment, guys, interact with me in the comment section. Turn your post notification bell too, guys. Turn it on. So whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Anyways, guys, my phone is ringing. I don't think I will be able to get to it. I'm driving anyway, so let me practice. Let me set an example for myself. Oh God. So yes, guys, I don't know what's going on here. My hair is still a little wet, but I don't like all that here and there, It now gives scalp this morning. But anyways, so guys, today is my day off. I have a few things to do, but guys, I woke up this morning not feeling 200, but I said to myself that Yoli, you got things to do. I had to talk myself through it, and here I am heading to go get business done. So I have to go to the library. After the library, I have a meeting at the bank and some phone calls to make while I'm at the library. So yeah, I want to get back home. It's 12 o'clock. I would love to get back home by 3:30. Yeah, I'd love to be back home by 3:30 to make the kids some dinner and Ray and Tay. Yes, guys. So how is everybody doing? Car decide for madness, guys. We're jumping at the patrol too. Yeah, so how is everybody doing? How's the summer? Come on, guys, let me know in the comment section, how is your summer? How is your summer going, guys? My summer haven't quite started yet because your girl has been just busy working, getting some things in order. So if that simply means that I am not gonna have a summer, you know what, so be it. I'm thinking about my long-term goal. I'm thinking about, I'm not thinking about just now, I'm thinking about future. So currently in the season of my life, I am setting up myself, like, I'm talking futuristic right now, right? Not the present. So your girl have been, you know, really busy. There's a few upcoming events that I would really love to go, and the good thing about it is it's actually on my weekends off from work. So yeah, so you know, with, you know, life's fair and everything, yeah, but right now your girl dealing with futuristic, like me, I thinking of the future, like me, I set myself up. So you know, when time come for me have fun, me I go have fun. I'm gonna have to worry. You get what I say, guys? Yes, so that's that. Yeah, some of those are checking on y'all. And guys, it's 12 o'clock. I have not put a thing to my mouth all morning. I'm hungry. But let's not think about my belly. I don't know why I'm still so. Oh God. So guys, your girl will touch back in with you, you know, a little later on. Yeah. I make you know how the day I go. You know, I go already. I'm gonna check in and make you know how, you know. Yeah. Guys, I'm at the library. Or the library. It's called Terry Berry Library. Guys, I wanna like my mustard. Guys, this sandals is older than, I don't even know. It's old. Let me tell you, the sandals is about 7-8 years old. But guys, that's how I care my things. I'm gonna take care of my things. Yeah. That's the people in Simia. Admire my feet. I wonder if they think that I'm going crazy. Yeah, guys, so I'm heading up on the second floor. I need to bring Promise here next week on my day off. Yes, guys. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get working. We'll check back in again. Hello, guys. Let me turn this hair down if nobody not gonna hear me. Yeah. You want what?
Yeah.
What do you want?
What?
Huh?
What?
What do you want?
Lollipop.
Lollipop?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, happy Sunday. And guys, you're gonna love it over here. I'm gonna go. Hold on now. Guys, we have to go into this saga about Promise. So yes, so let me welcome the new subscribers, mama. Yes, so guys, yes, me I say happy Sunday, guys. Thank you for all those who have been commenting, guys. I must apologize again, guys, for that video, that vlog that I dropped, the Jamaican one that had a lot of promise in it. It wasn't me that turned off the notification, guys. It was YouTube. We tried to reverse it a couple times and they turn it right back off, so my apologies, guys. And thank you for, you know, always liking, for those who continuously share every week, you know, or every time a vlog go up, because I'm not consistent like that, but we'll get better as time go by, guys. So anyway, guys, mega telling about Miss Promise now. So guys, Miss Promise, she have been giving me hell. So since yesterday, guys, Promise has been asking me, Mommy, what are we doing? Mom, I'm boring. Let's do something, Mommy. I'm so boring. So I'm like, Promise, what do you want us to do? She's like, let's just, what are we gonna do, Mom? Just let's do something, guys. Sorry, I'm dropping off sea moss to my neighbor. Guys, let me show you. So guys, this is the mango nectarine sea moss gel. My customer. He bought it for his kids. You know, most people buy the flavored one for their kids, guys. I don't have on any label because I ran out of label. Order it, but it, you know, it's not come yet, guys. So, you know, it's give me a second.
Wow.
What's wrong with you? Aren't we going out to get something to eat? Huh? Are you tired? You look tired. 1 second, guys.
Mom, fish.
Wait, give me a second.
Mom. Hmm? Mom, you ready? Mom, 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 stop. Ready. Mom, ready. Mom, ready. Mom, ready. Mom, no. Mom, ready.
Move your fingers. Move your fingers.
Mom, ready.
I thought you were talking to the lifestylers. Okay, what happened? Okay, we're gonna get ice cream. You want ice cream? Okay, all right. Okay, so no crying, guys. Hey, my daughter has something else. So, anyways, guys, from Friday night, promises like, mommy, I'm boring. What we gonna do, mommy? What we gonna do? So, you know, I keep on just like ignore her. So I'm like, we're gonna do something, you know, soon, baby. But this was like 7 p.m. You know. Promise I asked me, mommy, what we gonna do? Let's do something. I'm boring. And she said she bored, guys. She's boring. So, anyways, you know, I give her a little story and tell her, say, okay, I'm gonna take her go do something yesterday, which was Saturday. Yesterday, guys, I didn't get, nothing went as planned. Yesterday was just one of those days. So yesterday she come now, depend, mommy, I need some friends, mommy. Let's go find friends, let's go see friends. So I said, what kind of friends you want to go see? Promise you don't have no friends. Yes, mommy, let's go find some friends, let's go see some friends. So today, guys, the whole plan was to go to church, you know, and because I'm off today, the whole plan was to go to church, guys, but never go as planned. But you know, things are gonna change, guys. There's just so much up in the air now, guys, and I've been doing so much, so I've not been able to be consistent with my, you know, every other Sunday, because I go to church every other Sunday, because I work 2 weekends per month. But there's so much going on, guys. You know, I'm working on a lot of things, so you know, I'm just all over the place. But you know, that's gonna change. I'm working on that, because at the end of the day, me know my first love. Yes, so I'm working on that. So I didn't get to make it to church, so I made supper, everything, you know, and I left the chicken for my husband to put on the grill. So I said, okay, let me give her 2 hours. See, are you tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how you want to come outside?
Side.
But you're tired. You look sleepy. So guys, I'm I say, okay, may I give her 2 hours today. Me and her go do something outside. So guys, currently I said she lost her earring, guys. I normally buy expensive earring for Promise no more because she keeps losing them. And actually her godmother have an earring for her, but she had, you know, she haven't mailed it as yet, but I should be visiting her soon, so I'll get it when I go. But I normally buy her some little cheap. The earring them at Winners, they are gold over silver, so they don't change. So me can't deal with her losing that. And you know, this one she has 2 years now, so she kept this one long. 2 years or 1, yeah. So she kept this one long, and she lost this about a week ago. So I said, okay, let me bring her to Winners to, you know, buy a little earring, and then, you know, maybe take her to get her favorite McDonald's, and then ice cream, and then we go walk. We go to the lake front. Yeah, we go by the water to, you know, go hang out, guys. I like spending time by the water. That's where I catch myself, guys. I love to go to the water. It's just very relaxing for me. That's where I pray. That's where I connect with God. Like, I just enjoy going there, especially if I have a rough week or a rough day. It's just something about, you know, my, like, when I go there and talk to God, I really connect. I leave there really feeling, you know, different, refreshed, you know. Yeah, and since as I'm going into a new week, guys, a new busy week, yeah, I think I need to go there. Yeah, just to get my head right, because I never get for go church today. So yeah, so I'm gonna go there, guys. Go spend some time with God, and me, I promise. And me bring I brought my, let me show you guys. I brought my tripod. So let me see what me and Promise are gonna go on with now. Right, Prom? Are you excited to hang out with Mom? You see her eye, guys? She tired bad enough? Promise tired. Alright, guys, so I'll take you guys along. Alright? Yeah. Promise is here. We're going in Winners. Look at Promise with her purse. Show them your purse, Mama.
Huh?
Show them your purse.
Purse?
Let me see your purse. Yeah. Yeah, that's Promise purse.
Yeah.
Yep. Uh-oh. She's throwing away her purse. She has no money in her purse, though. Do you have money?
Yeah.
Where is it?
What?
Huh? Where's your money?
I know.
We're gonna look at earrings. Oh, careful. Are you okay? Oh, shush. Don't go. Let's go. Oh, no, those are too small. Come. You guys don't have the little kids earring, those little small ones?
The only ones we have are in that corner case. That
Oh,
you're
okay.
looking at, yeah.
All right. Okay, slow down, man. Slow down. Let's look in here. They have some here, but I'm not feeling them. Oh, here. Come. So guys, me not say nothing. Hey, promise?
Yeah.
We didn't see any. But you gotta stop moving so fast.
Yeah.
Walk slowly. Slow.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah. Them reason why she want to come out of it. Slow. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah. So I race.
Yeah. Slow and steady.
Yes.
Go. Go. Come. Guys, I'm looking. Hey, calm down. Let's look right here.
Look.
Yeah.
It's
Don't touch. Yeah.
the jungle.
Jungle? Guys, let me turn.
So many.
Guys, I'm looking for decor for my TV
Monkey
stand.
and Kyle.
Yeah.
Monkey.
I like this here. This is nice. Come. Come. Let's go. Can I get your hands, please?
What? What?
Can I get your hands? Thank you. Oh, what? So there's something
Wait.
again. No. Guys, I like this little piece here. But not much cool stuff.
Purple.
Leave that. Put it back, please. You got lots of books at home.
This.
Yeah, put it down.
What?
Put it down. Put it down, Mama. Put it down.
What? This.
Yes. Put it there.
This.
Yeah, there, yeah. Good job. There's the amount of book promise have at home. That would be crazy. Walk.
What?
Promise. Walk. Okay?
Yes. Yes, Mom.
Okay, so stop pulling me. Walk. Okay, we're gonna look here. Stop here, please.
Huh?
So guys, I have this set. Don't touch. I have this set in my bathroom. Right? But these look so. Get down, promise. Get down. These look so flimsy and weak. Can I get your hands? Let's go down here. The boys, calm down. Slow down here, please. Yes, promise not to even make it for sure now. I also need some curtain hooks for the other washroom, but I don't see nothing here that I like. Come this way. Can you slow down?
What?
Slow down, please.
What? So.
You're saying what and I keep telling you.
Sit.
No.
Why?
You wanna sit? You just can't. Look at this. Look at this dress. Isn't this
Dress?
pretty?
Yeah.
This is a pretty dress for promise.
Yeah.
Come. Can I get your hands? Guys. Oh. Oop. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Nero?
Yeah. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Come, give me your hands. Guys.
No cheese.
Yeah. We didn't see anything in here. So we're gonna keep it moving. I might stop at one more. Let me see if I see any bottles here for you, Mama.
The bowl.
You got one like this at home. No. You got this one. This is cute.
This is.
Come this way.
Papa.
Lunch bag. Ooh, let me see this. Oh my goodness. We gotta get this one. You guys, Paw Patrol is Promise's favorite character. There's no way we can leave that one, right, Promise?
Yeah.
We gotta buy that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cute too. Do you like this one?
Yeah.
Lunch bag? How much is it? Okay, let's go buy these two. Take that. You can take that up. Here. Okay. Let's go. Promises in luck today.
Cashier number 8, please.
Right, Mama?
Cashier number 6, please.
We didn't get earrings, but we got lunch bag. Is this nice? Yes, my cup obsession, you know. Put this down. Promise got her lunch bag,
Cheese.
cheese, and their lunch bowl. You like it?
Yeah.
Hold it, Mama. You wanna open? Oh, you wanna put it in?
Yeah. It's just gone.
Cashier number 4, please.
It's just gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. We gotta pay for it. Come. Come, watch it. Pick up your purse. Pick up your purse. Pick your purse up. No candies. No candy. No candy.
6, please.
No candy.
Cashier number
Come.
8,
No,
please.
no candy. Come. Don't spoil your day. Don't spoil it. Are you happy?
What? No, no, no.
You're not happy? Huh?
No, babe.
What do you mean no thanks? You got your lunch bag and your lunch bowl.
No?
What do you mean no? Because you didn't get candy?
Mm-mm. Chocolate.
Cashier number 4, please.
Come. Let's go. Wait. Promise.
Chocolate?
No.
Please?
We'll go to the dollar store. No. We'll go to the dollar store, okay? Don't spoil it. Don't
Please.
spoil your day.
Mom?
Yeah?
And
We'll get it after at the dollar store.
chocolate.
At another store.
Chocolate.
What did I say?
Chocolate.
Okay, let's go pay for your stuff.
Cashier
Come,
number
come, no. Hey, don't spoil it. Come on. You gotta pay for it. Good. All right. You gotta pay for your stuff. Come on. There's a bowl inside. Okay. You gonna pay for your stuff?
Cashier
Did you tell mommy thanks for your lunch bag? Hmm? Did you say thanks, mommy,
Probably.
for your lunch bag?
No.
What do you mean no?
Read
Huh?
that. Read that. And what? Pepper.
You got your lunch bag. Wow. All you need now is a warmer, a water bottle, right? A thermos, I should say, and a water bottle, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna see if we could get a Paw Patrol one.
Chocolate.
Wow, this is cool. Okay, let's go to the store. You want McDonald's?
No.
What?
Chocolate.
Okay, we'll get chocolate. Come. We're gonna get chocolate. Do you want chocolate milk?
No, chocolate.
Not chocolate milk?
Chocolate.
Hey. Hey.
We
You
chocolate.
act like this when you come out.
Chocolate.
Look at her face, guys.
Chocolate.
Okay. And you don't ask for it like that. Please. Wait. And we're gonna get Mickey's now, right? Promise? Want McDonald's?
What?
Do you want chicken nuggets and chocolate milk? Huh? There's the fella promise here. So, McDonald's is right over there, guys. Might not be a promise. Oh my. Hello, guys. Happy Friday. Anyways, guys, it's Friday. It's my day off. Yes, so I'm. Oh shoot. Sorry, my apology. I didn't see you. I said I'm sorry. I am apologizing.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm just asking normally. This car doesn't have a camera, what beep?
No, it started to beep when I got really close to you. Yeah. Yes, guys, so it's Friday. I'm just headed into town now to do a few run around. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'll be going to the drugstore. Yeah, I want to go to Costco today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I will try to squeeze it in. I'm not sure, but anyways, I'm just running in town to grab a few grocery for the kids. Yeah, or for the house, I should say. So guys, it's my day off, and I decided today that I wasn't gonna get out of my bed until at least midday, and I did just that. I got out of bed midday, and then I tidied up my bedroom, and I tidied up my washroom yet in my room. I tidied up my bedroom, throw a load of laundry in. I'm gonna tidy up the lower level yet. That I'll do later. Not a lot to do, but yeah, I tied up my bedroom, wipe down my windows, the little something. Yeah, and I want to go to the furniture store. So I think I have decided finally what bedroom set I'm gonna get. I don't think I'm gonna get the ones at Parks. I saw another one for a better deal that I might be getting at Bad Boys in Ancaster. Bad Boys Furniture. Yeah, that's mine. Another to go to furniture store that I really like. That's where I got my leather sofa a couple years ago, and guys, that's the best sofa I ever buy, because you know what, when I was buying that sofa, I was thinking about the kids. Yeah, so I saw a bedroom set on their website that I want to go look at it in person. Yeah, I want to go look at it in person. Guys, me never pray before me leave out, I not like that, because sometimes it does not feel right. Oh, Heavenly Father, please go before me right now, Lord God, and make every crooked path straight. Overturn every powers of darkness, every plan of the enemy. Destroy principalities, God, and powers of darkness in Jesus' name. I pray. I cover my car, I cover my home, I cover my possession, I cover everything that belongs to me or you have given me under your blood, Lord God. I saturate everything, my car, everything under your blood, and I will go on my journey to do my errands and come back home safe in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah, guys, sometimes you say me left out of my house, guys, I'm in a prayer. Is either me get so either accident prone, like this I wanna try running on me, or that it's me just feel different when me come in my car. I'ma cover myself before I drive off. Yeah, you have to cover yourself, guys. Yeah, for those who believe, to each their own. Alright? Yeah. So yes, guys, so I saw this bedroom set on Bad Boys, because I was kind of contemplating with when me I see. So I see this one and I'm like, okay, I want to go and look at it in person. If I like it, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, because guys, more I renovate my bedroom. Yeah, I want to renovate my bedroom, my space. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys. That I wanted to do today too, but as me say, I didn't need rest, guys. And for the past 2 days, my back, guys, was no joke with my back the past 2 days, guys. For those who don't know, guys, I was in a car accident. I was rear-ended, a hit and run, guys. And since that accident, my back is not the same, guys. I've been trying to get in the gym for the longest time, but I really need to, so I can strengthen my back, guys. Because guys, I'm telling you, so when my back starts to hurt me, I'm not even have words, guys. I don't have no words. When my back act up, my back act up. So for the past 2 days, I was kind of down because of how I was feeling. Yeah, so today now I feel a little better. Yeah, feel a little better today. Maybe because I was resting, you know. And that's another thing, guys. If I rest too long, my back hurts. You understand me? If I rest too long, like, guys, yeah, so I'm gonna get enough rest. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys. I'm gonna go to Zaire's, then I'm gonna go to Food Basic, and I wanna go stop at Shoppers. Yeah, just a little grocery store run, guys. I wanna go to Costco, but I might go to Costco later in the evening. Yeah, when I go and grab my husband. Yeah, I might do that. All right, guys. So guys, we're at Zaire's. Stop number 1. So guys, my kids love their burger bread and hot dog bread here because they bake them fresh every day. It's cheaper to get them at Costco, but what I realize when I get them at Costco, they're not eating them, they're not finishing them, but they like the freshly baked hot dog bread. So yeah, come to get them. Putting on a small cart. Okay, right now I'm getting an order for something. And not only their the kids love their muffins, guys. They bake their muffins here too. That's another thing that they like. Yeah. So I'll be getting muffin here. And then I'll go to Food Basic and get the other stuff. You guys may come in here, you know. There's a girl on the YouTube. Make my Aliska. I'll come in here and I'll forget. And I have to come back tomorrow again. So guys, this is their little bakery section. So okay. So let me show you guys. So they like these. Let's see the date on these. Why are these wet? What's going on over here? So guys, look like I not come too late. So yeah guys, so see these baked today. See guys, these baked today. So and they're $3.50. These baked today. So I'll get them this. And I'll get another. So this is their little baker section, guys. There we go. Yes, guys. So they also like the muffin. So guys, I'm always looking at dates to make sure So Kamani like chocolate. Acorn like this, I think, and Promise like this. Oh god. So guys, this is the 23. Let's see if I see any 25. No. Let me see 23. 20. Oh yeah. Here's 25. Let me see down here. 23. Oh, 26. What is this? No, carrot. I need carrot. 20. No, that's Morning Glory. 23. Oh, this is 25. And I'll get this guys. So these are the little stuff guys I get here. The other time their dad bought them burger meat here and they didn't like it. So let me see what they have here. Guys, I came to get this, you know, this big pack of burger. They don't have any. Maybe I can ask somebody around the back. But that's really what I... For all my pork lovers, ribs on sale. Do you work here?
Sometimes.
The big package. Do you guys have any around the back?
I'll have a look.
Okay, please and thank you. Go look over here so no guys. My husband like to barbecue these. But look here guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, $16. Huh? You guys, $16 for what? Like the 3 pizza bone. You ever seen that, so guys? $16 for 3 pizza bone. Father God, I don't know what you do at all, but you have to fix them, yeah. So guys, since they don't have what I came to get, but I forgot look one a different option guys. I'm gonna have to look for something else. So here, so they have 16 for 31. Big juicy lean. Them have, what brand is this? Club size lean beef burgers. Thick and juicy. 20 beef fully cooked. Oh, no, fully cooked. And with this, ouch, $35. This has 16 guys. I wonder if I should go to Costco. This is original club size butcher's choice. How much is this one? 16. I wonder, is this $13? I don't know. Club I went with that one. $30. So the other stuff, $6. Is this a deal? 2 for $6? Not to me, so $3 a pop. Not there. I'll go. This is more a deal, I think. $5.99. Don't come for me. Yeah. The kids don't like that with I'll buy the other stuff at Food Basic. Guys, this is a grocery store here. I only buy stuff that are on sale. You hear? Yeah. Kids love that juice, but no, not $9 when I can get it at Walmart for $5. Some you love throwing money. Okay. That's that. Don't think I'm picking up nothing else, guys. Actually, ginger beer. Guys, I love over this section. Guys, I'm a Joe Fresh girl. Like my little active wear. You can get nice looking stuff in a Joe Fresh. I love Joe Fresh. So guys, this is the little West Indian section here at Zara's, guys. This ginger beer is the best ginger beer. Try it and thank me. Yeah. Guys, when I bet that for that one, I can't get Food Basic and get it for 88 cents. Sorry now. Yeah, so that's all I need from this section. Guys, I've been looking for American. I need to get him. I feel like I got mark feet. So guys, that's it for theirs. I'm gonna cash out now. So go hear the bill for them too. Look at something at their people. Yeah, but yes guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna do cash it out myself. Who come in? Hey guys, was not bad at all, but did I expect it would be more? How more time I come out here and I don't even see what I pick up, guys. And when we look on the bill, sometimes my husband and look at each other like, what? Sometimes we all recheck the bill or in the pants. No man, the bill ain't alright. Something wrong. Yes guys, what time is it? 4:18. So I'm gonna go to what do you call it? I'm gonna go to Food Basic, guys. I'll go to I'll go to Walmart later. I'll go to Walmart later because I have to give Amanda a ride to her appointment. She finished work at 5. Now it's 4:19. So I'm gonna go to Food Basic to see what juice get. My kids are very picky with juice, guys. They don't like those little box juice and something. So the Tropicana big bottle of juice is what I normally get for them, less sugar. But I'm not paying $8 for it there when Walmart have it for $5, $8 something there. So no, when them they're on sale, I get them this. So I'm gonna go to Food Basic, grab them milk, chocolate milk. They're out of cereal, but I get those big boxes at Costco because they go through cereal and stuff too fast. So I waste some money if I buy those small boxes. So I might go to Costco to grab that later. Yeah, guys, my nails need to get done. These are my real nails, guys, but I'm going to Barry's Ammon concert next Friday. Guys, I haven't been really doing much since my vacation, guys. Like, I'm just trying to work on me, like, in terms of future, guys, work on business, yeah. So it's not really the time for me to splurge or spend unnecessarily, but I still find time to do things. But I haven't really done anything all summer yet. My girlfriends them say we go link up before the summer ends. I'm looking forward to that. But next Friday, Barry's Ammon, me and my sister going to Barry's Ammon. Yeah, I love Barry's, guys. So next week now I'm gonna do a mani and a pedi. Nothing crazy because I might want nails them, guys, and them might grow too long already, so I'm gonna cut them down. I don't like them long. Yeah, I like my nails them nice and short and clean. But my love to the girls them long nails. It's just that it's not for me, So big up all the goodies them we can rock them long nails. Me have to rock the little short ones them. Yeah. So next week I'll do that. Yeah. And I'll be taking you guys with me to Barry's. I gotta take you guys everywhere. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna do no self-care this weekend, and I work this weekend. Yeah. So no self-care until next Wednesday or Thursday. I'm gonna do some self-care. Yeah. So make us say, guys, Barry's come go on with himself in Canada. Yes, I love Barry's. As for old school artists, guys, I really rate Barry's. I like him. So when me hear say Barry's come to Canada, and it's my sister favorite artist, old school artist. So when she here, guys, the girl not even hesitate. She not even ask no question. If I can't come, she just buy tickets. She just buy the ticket. So I say, why not? Yes, Let me know if you all like it, guys. And it's on sale. Yes, guys. So finally by the bed. So guys, I'm by the bed. So I'll keep over this. So I'm finally by the bed, guys. So now we can start my little renovation. So them say, the manager said, and guys, guess what? God, you're so good. So the manager, like, he gave me like because I didn't want the mirror for the dresser, because I'm gonna put a standing mirror in my room. So you know, him just give me another side table, so give me like 24% off, you know, each furniture. So the price, it worked out, guys, really reasonable. Like, yeah, I think I'm gonna make the right choice. Yeah, I feel like I like this bedroom set. Yeah, I feel like I'm happy with it, because there's been somebody, you know, me buy it now and then later me change my mind, guys. But yeah, guys, Bad Boys Furniture and Parks is always my to-go-to furniture store. But Parks really disappoint me this time. Really disappoint me. Yeah, can't believe I'm going to Parks, guys. I may never find what I wanted. That never happened to me back in the days, guys. Nope. So now what I plan to do is hold on a second, guys. Yes, guys, I don't even remember what I did I say, but I did get one phone call. But I think I did I say to say Bad Parks, and so you know, Parks is always my to go, but you know, them disappoint me. Oh, I remember what I did I say, no, guys. So may I say I'm gonna start work on like the painting, you know, yeah, start like do the painting and so forth. So when the furniture come, yeah, because them say 3 months. Now we know June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, so about October. Yeah, about October. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just, you know, start clear out, throw out pieces. Yeah, get rid of pieces, paint, and you know, like shampoo my carpet, like do like a full bedroom renovation. Yeah, full little change up things. Yeah, finally.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say